Cryptocurrency may be a sort of payment which will be exchanged online for goods and services. Many companies have issued their own currencies, often called tokens. These are often traded specifically for services that the corporation provides. Consider them as you'd consider arcade tokens or casino chips. You'll go to exchange real currency for cryptocurrency to access the good or service. Cryptocurrencies work employing a technology called blockchain. Blockchain may be a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manages and records transactions. A part of the appeal of this technology is its security. Welcome back to Operation Stock Market. Guys, please hit the like button on this video, and if you're not subscribed already, I request you to hit the sub button. To understand cryptocurrency, we must understand the subsequent technologies and principles. Cryptocurrency utilizes cryptography, the tactic of disguising and revealing information, to make sure the safety of the user and to make sure that transactions are done safely. A blockchain may be a sort of a distributed ledger technology, which is actually a database covered by multiple operators, nodes, or computing devices. This is the technology that powers the whole cryptocurrency. It is essentially a digital ledger that verifies accounts, balances, and transactions. There are many uses for blockchain outside of monetary purposes, like supply chain management, tracking art ownership, and even digital collectibles. A term associated with blockchain which will be used throughout this video is node. A node is the individual part of the larger arrangement of a blockchain. Without nodes, the whole system would disintegrate. Cryptography and blockchain help cryptocurrency create new coins, enforce legitimate transactions, and make a secure system. Decentralization, as seen with Bitcoin, means all authoritative power is distributed among the peers on the network, and there isn't one individual point of failure. For example, so as to hack Bitcoin, someone would wish to hack into a minimum of 51% of the massive network of computers liable for running Bitcoin, which is taking into account an impossible task. Cryptocurrency are often sent directly between two people without the necessity for a broker. These transfers are through a very low processing fee that intends to compensate the network, making it possible for users to bypass hefty transaction fees by more traditional payment transfer services. That means there's no need for a PayPal, Zelle, or a bank. More than 6,700 cryptocurrencies are traded publicly, consistent with CoinMarketCap.com, a marketing research website. And cryptocurrencies still proliferate, raising enough money through initial coin offerings or ICOs. The entire value of all cryptocurrencies on April 13, 2021 was $2.2 trillion, consistent with CoinMarketCap. And therefore, the total value of all Bitcoins, the four most popular digital currency, was pegged at about $1.2 trillion US. Cryptocurrencies appeal to their supporters for a spread of reasons. Supporters see cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin because the currency of the longer term and are racing to shop for them now, presumably before they become more valuable. Some supporters just like the incontrovertible fact that cryptocurrency removes central banks from managing the cash supply, since over time these banks tend to scale back the worth of cash via inflation. Other supporters just like the technology behind cryptocurrencies, the blockchain, because it's a decentralized processing and audio system that may be safer than traditional payment systems. Some speculators like cryptocurrencies because they're rising in value and haven't any interest within currency's long-term acceptance and how to maneuver money. Cryptocurrencies may go up in value, but many investors see them as mere speculations, not real investments. The reason? A bit like real currencies, cryptocurrencies generate no income. So for you to profit, someone has got to pay more for the currency than you probably did. And that's what's called the greater fool theory of investment. Contrast that to a well-managed business, which increases its value over time by growing the profitability and income of the operation. As NerdWallet writers have noted, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin might not be that safe, and a few notable voices within the investment community have advised that would-be investors steer beyond them. Of a particular note, legendary investor Warren Buffett compared Bitcoin to paper checks. It's a really effective way of transmitting money, and you'll roll in the hay anonymously and everyone that. A check may be a way of transmitting money too. Are checks worth an entire lot of money, simply because they will transmit money? For those that see cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin as the currency of the long term, it should be noted that a currency needs stability in order for merchants and consumers to determine what a good price is for goods. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are anything but stable through much of their history. For instance, while Bitcoin traded on the brink of $20,000 in December 2017, its value then dropped to as low as about $3,200 a year later. By December 2020, it had been trading at record levels again. This price volatility creates a conundrum. If Bitcoins could be worth tons more within the future, people are less likely to spend and circulate them today, making them less valuable as currency. While some cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, are available for purchase with US dollars, others require that you simply pay with Bitcoins or any other cryptocurrency. To buy cryptocurrencies, you'll need a wallet, a web app which will hold your currency. Generally, you create an account on an exchange and then you transfer real money to shop for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Here's more on the way to invest in Bitcoin. Coinbase is one popular cryptocurrency trading exchange where you'll create both a wallet and buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Also, a growing number of online brokers offer cryptocurrencies like eToro, TradeStation, and Sophie Active Investing. Robinhood offers free cryptocurrency trades. Robinhood Crypto is out there in most, but not all US states. There's no doubt that they're legal within the US, though China has essentially banned cryptocurrency use, and ultimately whether they're legal depends on each individual country. They're even bound to consider the way to protect yourself from fraudsters who see cryptocurrencies as a chance to milk investors. As always, buyer beware. If you're looking to shop for a cryptocurrency in an ICO, read the fine print within the company's prospectus for this information. Who owns the company? An identifiable and well-known owner may be a positive sign. Are there other major investors who are investing in it? It's an honest sign if other well-known investors need a piece of the currency. Will you own a stake within the company or simply currency or tokens? The distinction is vital. Tokens means you're entitled to them, like chips during a casino. Whereas owning a stake means you'll get to participate in its earnings and you're an owner. Is the currency already developed, or is that the company looking to boost money to develop it? The further along the merchandise, the less risky it is. It can take tons of labor to comb through a prospectus. The more detail it's in, the higher your chances it's legitimate. But even legitimacy doesn't mean the currency will succeed. There's a complete separate question which requires tons of market savvy. But beyond those concerns, just having cryptocurrency exposes you to the danger of theft, as hackers attempt to penetrate the PC networks that maintain your assets. One high-profile exchange declared bankruptcy in 2014 after hackers stole many dollars in bitcoins. Those aren't typical risks for investing in stocks and funds on major US exchanges. Cryptocurrency is an incredibly speculative and volatile buy. Stock trading of established companies is usually less risky than investing in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. To further understand cryptocurrency basics, here's how hypothetical cryptocurrency transactions take place. Let's assume Alex wants to send Steven $5 worth of Bitcoins. Steven sends his Bitcoin address, what's referred to as a hashed public key, to Alex. This Bitcoin address is linked to whatever exchange or cryptocurrency wallet Steven found out. Alex enters the address in his cryptocurrency exchange or wallet alongside the Bitcoin amount, about 0.0005 Bitcoin, which is slightly below $25, and presses send. Steven receives the Bitcoin minus a little fee, consistent with bitcoinfees.info. These fees can range between $0.05 to be delivered within subsequent hour, or $0.50 within 10 minutes. It doesn't matter if Alex sent $25 or $25 million, the fees would be equivalent. From the instant Alex submits his transaction to the blockchain, every node within the Bitcoin network receives the transaction request. Every node makes sure that number one, Alex is really who he's claiming to be. The nodes verify Alex's identity through his private key, a personal key that identifies his source of funds. Anyone who has access to the present private key has access to your money. This is often why it's paramount to form bound to keep your private key secure. Number two, that Alex actually has the $5 to send to Steven. Since the nodes have a replica of the whole ledger of transactions, they will easily check to ascertain if Alex has the cash. If a minimum of 51% of the nodes come to a consensus on the two above elements, the transaction goes through, and therefore the nodes update the ledger with a new transaction. A few brokers offering cryptocurrencies include Coinbase, which allows access to buy and sell more than 30 cryptocurrencies, eToro, a trading platform with access to 15 cryptocurrencies, Robinhood, a platform with 7 cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum. Sophie Active Investing offers 3 cryptocurrencies for trading, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. TradeStation, which offers trading for 5 cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum. And Webull, which offers 4 cryptocurrencies for trading, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to this channel. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.